friends, it's Debbie, and in today's video I'm giving you a full review of the Polar Haircare Instant Dye Shampoo. This is the viral product you've seen online and I know you have questions about it. Well, let me tell you, I've been using it for 3 months and you know what? I absolutely love it. So in today's video I'm going to show you what I like, what to watch out for, 2 ways to apply it, my before and afters. So if you're excited, well, I'm excited. Let's get started. There's so many reasons why I wanted to start it. First of all, I wanted the flexibility. I wanted the flexibility to apply the instant hair dye on my terms, so in my house, on my time schedule, and that was really important to me because I'm very busy. And also I wanted an effective way to color my hair at home, and also looking for ingredients that are good for my hair. If you guys have ever had your roots or your hair colored at the salon, yes, it takes forever, right? So I was so excited to try this out and see how it works from home. And I can tell you, I was really impressed. Before ordering the product, it was important to me to read a lot of reviews. I know you guys love to read reviews too, because I like to get like real opinions about a product. And yeah, it did kind of scare me off that they were saying that this was a scam product, but I was so desperate for looking for a home remedy that I was excited to try it. And honestly, you guys, I can't wait to show you the before and after. There's so many things I love about this product. One, that I can do my hair at home. And when I have used it, I noticed that my hair is really soft and it really does work well for my roots. I don't apply it all over my hair. I just apply it on my roots and along my hairline, and especially along my temples. These are like, oh, my ultimate trouble spots. But so yeah, this review is just going to show you how I apply it on my roots. If you are looking for a solution to color your roots between salon visits, I definitely think you should give this a try because it works really well for me. And again, like I mentioned before, my hair feels soft, it looks natural, and it covers my gray really well. And the best part of all is that it saves me so much time and money. And I know when you guys try this, you're gonna thank me. So some things to watch for that I want you to be aware of, because I read the information on the product and it says that it doesn't stain. In my case, I noticed that it did stain. It stained my cute fake fingernails, it stained my fingertips. If I got it like on my skin along my hairline, it stained my skin and it stained my countertops, and I had a water bottle during the application to keep hydrated, and some of the dye touched my water bottle and my water bottles got stained too. So immediately, I would take water and, rub the dye off of my skin and off of countertops immediately. I didn't wear gloves before because, again, when I read the directions in the website, it said it wouldn't stain your hands, but it does. And so I am now wearing gloves to protect my fingers. So that is something that you should know. And one more thing, it does mention that you just need a few pumps. I don't know what exactly that means. I guess a few is 2 to 3 pumps. But for me, I need quite a lot. I do have a lot of hair and my hair is dense. So I do need more than what is recommended. And that's fine, because if I can find something that works at home and is cost effective, I don't mind, needing to use those extra pumps. So next, guys, I'm going to take you into my bathroom and I'm going to show you 2 ways to apply it. Okay, first method, the direct application with your hands. This is the faster way. So you're going to start with dry hair, and I'm going to clip back my hair. And as you can see, I am applying Vaseline or any kind of thick cream around your hairline to prevent the dye from seeping into your skin. Okay, now for the fun part, make sure to put on your plastic gloves. I totally forgot to do that because I was so excited for the demo part, but here we are. I like putting the dye directly onto my scalp. You can also put the dye in your hand, and again, I use extra pumps for more coverage. And I love using an old toothbrush to apply the dye through my roots and you can also massage it with your fingers. I decided to be a good girl and I put on my plastic gloves and just took my time making sure that I have the product through all of my trouble spots. And you just let the product sit for just 10 minutes. That's it. Then you rinse thoroughly in the shower and there's no need for shampoo afterward. For those of you who want to be extra, you can use a professional mixing bowl and brush. I love this method too. This allows you to have more control and precision, especially good for those with thicker or color treated hair. Then you should consider this method because it might be better for you. Again, start with dry hair and prep your skin and surfaces. Pump the dye shampoo straight into the coloring bowl. I was trying to pump as much as I could because I was nearing the end of the bottle. And then you use a coloring brush to apply the dye precisely to your roots. I love this method. Why? Because it honestly feels like a salon experience at home. And then the brush allows me to have that precision to really target those stubborn grays along my hairline. Once the roots are fully covered, wait 10 minutes, then rinse. Hi, I'm back. I just got out of the shower, and as you can see, I will put a before and after on the screen, and my hair looks amazing. My grays are gone. My roots look beautiful. The color is very natural and my hair feels really soft. I really hope that you can see the grays in the video or in the pictures. I promise you they're there. When my husband was taking the photos for me, we were trying to find the right lighting to capture my grays. And for whatever reason, it's really difficult, but I promise you there are grays in my hair, and my trouble spots are this area, and I tend to get more on this side and definitely around my temples, which makes me self-conscious when I wear my hair up in a ponytail at the gym. But if you can see in real life, you will see that my roots are totally covered up. Again, I've been doing this for 3 months, and I feel like that is a really honest, authentic length of time to thoroughly review something, and I'm really happy with the result. I know that there are a lot of mixed reviews online, and many people are saying that this is a scam, but I tried it and it worked for me, and it may not work for everyone, so you have to test this yourself. This product could be a game changer for you if you're looking for a quick, easy, and inexpensive way to touch up your roots at home. If you found this video helpful or interesting, I would love if you would give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have tried Polar Hair Care. Thanks for watching this video, and I'm excited to see the comments down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! I want slow love, uncomplicated touch, stable as we go, consistent as we grow.